Hey guys, Anthony Boatner, Keller Williams. Thanks for checking out today's video. So today's topic is going to be pros and cons of doing an open house. Great. So again, what the video is about today is the pros and the cons of doing an open house. So some of the cons that I have listed here is, one is going to be you have a low probability of the buyer that walks through that open house, because there is an open house, actually being your end buyer. Statistically, the possibilities of that are pretty low. Number two is security concerns. Because the home is open to the public and everybody, you have a little bit more security concerns in regards to, we have no idea who's going to be showing up to that open house, either staking out the house or potentially trying to steal items during the open house. So security concerns is one of them. The third one's going to be kind of just nosy neighbors. I would say probably at least 50% of the people that walk through the home are going to be your neighbors that are kind of curious to take a look at your home. So just be aware of that and make sure that you're comfortable with that. The pros to doing an open house is that it increases exposure. It's open to everybody. Occasionally someone who wasn't in the market can walk through a home and for whatever reason decide that they want to buy that home even though they weren't particularly looking. So that's one to think about. So the other pro is additional exposure. On real estate websites, there's an open house section. In our multiple listing service, there's an area where open houses are flagged. So if you have certain buyers that only want to go through starting their buying process by only going to open houses, it exposes to those type of buyers that you might not have previously been marketing the home to. So that's a good thing. The last thing is going to be convenience. It is very convenient for buyers to not have to schedule a particular time to look at a certain home. So some buyers do like open houses being scheduled. That way they feel like they can show up between a time range whenever they want. And you'll catch those buyers maybe have a really extremely busy schedule or just more comfortable with doing it that way. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions on what we do to sell homes, or if you're looking to buy in today's market, feel free to contact us, and I appreciate you looking at the video. Thank you.